Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Woodworking Journey. It's day 9. Good news, the epoxy is done for 2 of the side tables. We're just doing the one last coat of paint on the legs since the legs are dry now. But I just wanted to say thank you quick for all the support I got on the last video. I got a lot of views, which made me really happy, and I'm just glad that this is going somewhere, and I'm not still stuck at 2 views. But anyways, yeah, so do one last coat of paint on that, start epoxying this, finish the legs for that, and I think that's all. Oh yeah, and just finish sanding. I just have a little bit, there was a couple drips. I'm just going to take care of those that were on the side tables that I just epoxied. But that should be a day, and here we go. Thank you again, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that was day 9. It wasn't a real total productive day. All we did was we got these cut. I really wanted to put this together, but it's getting pretty cold here in Alberta, and my glue was all frozen, even though it was only in here for a couple hours. So tomorrow I'll get it glued right when I start working out here, because otherwise it will freeze again probably. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. It is pretty cold today. But yeah, so yeah, I just got all these cut. Like, this is ready to go. Like 20 minutes and that's done. These are, I'm going to put polyurethane on the back of them. But those guys are done. We got the things, that should be the last coat for the legs for painting. So these should be on the market within 2 days. So I know it's been a long time, but thanks for holding in there, guys, and supporting the channel. It hasn't been going as fast as I've hoped, just because we had a delay with getting the epoxy back from a friend, and we also had a delay, well, just because I can only do so much with school. I dedicate 2 hours a day to the woodworking business. That's all I can do. And it's dark out and stuff by the time I finish anyways, so yeah. And we did get a coat of epoxy on the slab thing, so that was good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow.